Here we have the Range Rover Westminster in Eiger Grey. This is a 3 litre diesel. You have privacy glass, 21-inch alloys with a diamond turned finish, a powered tailgate with plenty of space there for all your personal items, and they'll be secure due to the privacy glass. You also have keyless entry, and going inside the vehicle you have illuminated Range Rover script tread plates and a full leather interior. You also have a 10-inch touch pro, a sliding panoramic roof, front centre console cooler compartment, which is handy if you're going on long journeys and want to keep refreshments cold. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto to connect your phone, along with ambient lighting with several different colours to choose from, which looks cool especially in the dark. Sat nav. You can also connect your phone, making it easier to make and receive calls. You also have a rear view camera, making parking and reversing a lot easier. You also have cruise control and lane departure warning, which is handy when driving along the motorway, along with a heated steering wheel and heated front seats, which is a luxury especially in winter. The front seats are also memory, which is handy for several people driving the car. And you also have a Meridian sound system. This car is brand new and therefore has only done 5 miles. Stepping back outside the car, that was the Range Rover at Stafford Land Rover. If you're interested in this car, please call 01785 211 131. Thank you.